right, found the 750. She needs some work. There she go. Is in just a picture of it. He said he got all the fairings and everything. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But catch y'all back on. Stay tuned. All right, we got the bike. It got too dark for me to record, but that's it right there. I forgot to get the front piece to go up there and the headlight, so I'm gonna go back and get that probably some other time. But the rest of the parts down there is too dark right now. But that's the bike right there, y'all. I'll cut you back on. We just getting back. This is the bike. She needs some work, bro. I'm looking at her. She needs some work. Look at that. I don't even know how that happened. She definitely look dusty. Yeah, I don't know about that. These are the fairings. Fairings are cracked. What in the world? I'm missing a wing. But he did say he was gonna hook me up with the rest of them. You gotta go look for them. It was nighttime. It's dark, so I'm gonna see what's up with it though. I'm gonna see how long it's gonna take me to figure out what's wrong with the bike and see if I can get it right. From what the guy told me, he said the ignition switch is messed up, and as you can see, this harness, like the harness is not even hooked up. But let's see what we can do though. Again, the time is 8:25. I'm giving myself like 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it in because it's like 40 degrees out here. But let's go to work. All right, got the battery, got the solenoid. Probably go this one. Oh yeah, got my junction box. They got bad written on this one, so you're gonna see. All right, I got the battery hooked up. I got the junction box hooked up. Let's see if the ignition worked at all. See right here. To be honest, I don't see no juice at all. Anything work? Nope. Nothing. No cluster, no nothing. Set these keys right here for the moment. Turn you back on in a second. What time is it? I think I found out why she won't turn. Look at this. She won't spin. You locked up or something? Yeah. Alright, let me get another starter. This bike, all it does is this. The lights is on, but like other than that, it won't work. All right, here we are again. All right, the noise that I hear is coming from the fuel pump. See, I'm gonna turn the switch on. Nothing. See? There's nothing happening. I'm hitting the switch. Nothing. Now, I'm gonna plug the fuel pump up. The fuel pump will make the noise. What's this? That's just the fuel pump, but cranking wise, it's not cranking on its own. I don't know, like no spark. I have plenty of CDI boxes. I'm gonna try that, but like it's just not cranking. All right, that bike right here, it won't crank for nothing. I done tried so many different ways. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my harness back off that one and put it on this one and see what it do. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use the harness that came on this bike to see what it do. So stay tuned. All right, I done tried every single thing on this bike. I done changed the battery, starter 3 times. I done changed the relay, the what is that? The safety switch down there. I even changed that. Still no difference. So now my spider senses is telling me to change. It's like a wire in here, I think. And Mr. Rigetti also told me to change it too. So I'm gonna change that. I think it's inside of there. Or is it this switch right here? I don't know what that switch is. Like right up under there. I don't know what that one is. It's one of these. But something is telling me to change this. Mr. Rigetti said change the post coil something. And I'm thinking that's it. I'm not 100% sure. But I'm gonna change that. If that don't work, I really do not know what it could be for this bike. So let me get to work. All right, I'm back. All right, I got it off. I don't know if y'all seen the video that I broke an engine all the way down. Here go the pieces. It's coming in handy. Plug and play, and let's see if she play. The chain. That chain, look. I mean, the chain seems decent. But that's the piece I just took off. But if you look at this motor, bro, look at that oil, black as I don't know what. So I see a little neglect here. But if she start up and run decent, we're going at it. We're gonna have some fun with her. But if this engine is no good, then we just gonna have to break it down again. This frame is good. Had to break it down again. I'm gonna just take this carburetor off and put it on that bike over there. I got a lot of stuff, bro. I promise you, I clean this garage and it get right back dirty. And for this gas tank, I'm not sure if he got a key for this gas tank or not. If he don't, then we kind of messed up on that gas tank business. Because I doubt this key goes to this gas tank. Let me see. Oh, it does work. Oh, okay. So, okay, that key does work. So we in business on that. Hold on, let me see if before I get too happy. What about, does it work to the compartment? I doubt it worked to that, yeah. We're gonna have to change that. I don't know what I could get to change that though, because I'm sure I got something around here that'll fit that one. And I got the key to it, so that's our only problem is that compartment. And we definitely need that compartment. But back to the show, let's get back right. All right, that didn't work either. So now I'm about to change this. Take this one off. This is from the spare bike and put it on this bike. I don't know if this don't work. I don't know. This bike. I know everything works over there because I just tried it and I just moved the harness over here just to see. Only thing that's on this bike, I have the starter and I got it grounded. That's running to this bike. Everything else is going to this bike, and it's still like I replaced everything. Like, let me show you what I replaced. I replaced this. I replaced that. Replaced pretty much everything, and like only thing happened, that oil light was on. I don't know what happened, but the oil light is not on now. But when I press the switch, nothing. No juice or nothing. But if I hook everything up back to this bike, the bike will turn. But with this bike, nothing. I don't know what it is. I got it. It's cranking. Listen to it. I think it was the ground. I didn't have the CDI grounded. That's what it was. I just grounded it at. It's working now. So that's a good sign. So now I need to hook up the plugs again. Let me see. Yes, sir. She whining. Good news. We got spark now. Check me out. Let me see if y'all can see that. You see that? She got good spark too. Now, let's see if she'll start. Let me throw that plug back in and we're gonna see if she'll start. All right, we got a mess going here. But I got all the cords in. Let's spray with some card. There's no gas in it, so let's just see if she'll crank up. All right, let me turn the switch on. Boom. I don't have any gas. I got to run to the store and get some gas. All right, we got the gas. Now let's see what she'll do. We got gas in it. Hopefully she starts up. I got a mess in here too. All right, connect it. Boom. Put a little bit of this in there just to get her going. I'm pretty sure the cars need to be clean. Yeah. Shoot, I forgot the key on. All right, I forgot to hook the fuel pump up and then she hooked up. Let's see what she do. Should crank now. She warming up. more. Take off. All I need to do is throw the tank on and we can take up for a spin. Got a little leak going on. Got a leak. If I can be toast, ain't it? But we got her up and running though, man. Hey, it only really took me, let's say, it only took about 5 hours, I say, to get it right. Because once I bought it, I came in here, messed with it just a little bit, as you saw in the video. And then the next day, I didn't really mess with this bike. I probably came out here for like 5 minutes and left it alone. Then today, you add up all the hours together, it's probably like 5 to 6 hours, I would say. But it definitely took a lot. But like I said, I got to clean back up in here. I got plenty carburetors. I got everything, bro, when it comes to these bikes. And like, I got the most important thing. I'm trying to tell you, if you're going to work on these bikes, and if you new like I am, you need a mechanic. Like, he don't have to be, or she don't have to be around you, but you gotta have somebody that you can text, call. Like the Facebook, the ZX7r Facebook page, them guys helped me out a whole lot. Like, I promise you, like, all I did was make the video. Let me see if I can show you real fast. I made the video of like what it was doing, and they pretty much helped me out. And I'm telling you, like, you gotta get some type of help. Like, there's a million things that could be wrong with these bikes, and people are willing to help you. Like, let me see if I can find it. All right, see, this is the video that I posted right here, and I want to shout these guys out, man. Like, if you see them, follow them. Go slow by slow, okay? Follow them. Follow the ZX7R page. Shout out to them. Like, follow them. Come on now. These guys really helped me out, man. I posted a video of me starting it, but they definitely helped me out. Let me see if I can find the other one, because I posted twice. Oh, here go the other one right here. I want to make sure everybody get it. Like, please follow these. Follow these guys. That's Mr. Rigetti right there, y'all. Holla at Mr. Rigetti. He got a shop now. This is everybody right here. All right. Hopefully I didn't miss nobody, but like, if y'all get a chance, follow them on Facebook, or just follow the ZX7R page. And I appreciate everybody in that Facebook page that showed me some love or told me to try something. And that's the thing with these bikes. Like, as you can see in these comments, everybody tried to tell me to try something different. Like, that's why I told you, every bike is different. Like, what they did, they definitely gave me a hint. But when I got in here, like, my mind kept telling me, okay, it's not clicking, it's no spark. So the first thing I wanted to check this lever. I was like, okay, I done seen this before. This ain't nothing new. But then it wouldn't even click, like turn over or nothing. I'm looking like, what's going on? And then I done changed the junction boxes. I'm like, there's no fire getting to it at all. And then my spider senses said, check this wire right here. This is the pulse coil. I forgot what Mr. Rigetti called that. Like I said, I'm still learning the terminology. But something told me, like, after I changed everything, I changed the harnesses like 3 times. And then I kept connecting this bike to this bike to that bike, just to see if it'll work. And it didn't work. So I was like, it gotta be something. It gotta be something. But I changed that like something told me to change this, but I didn't change it. So I just went in the house and relaxed, went to sleep for a little bit. And then Mr. Roggetti texted me because I sent him, told him what was happening to it. He was like, check the post-core thing. And then I was looking like, what is that? And then I looked it up and I'm looking like, bro, that's the thing I said I think it might be. And then I came out here, I changed it because I don't know if you've seen the video to where I broke the other bike down. I still got parts from that bike, from that engine. And I put it on and it still didn't start. And then next thing I know, I seen one of the grounds off. It was the ground off the CDI box. I was like, you know what? I know it's not gonna make a difference, but like, let me just touch it to the ground. And as soon as I touched it to the ground, bro, she started right up. And this engine seems to be good because, let me show you, like, she starts right up. Let me turn it off. I done been out here too long. But she starts right up, bro. Like, it's no problem, but I'm getting real good at it. Like, my main goal, I want to know how to take this whole engine apart and put it back together. Like, if I need to replace clutches or anything in there, the transmission or anything in there, I'm trying to learn that, but I'm taking it step by step. I'm not trying to rush the process. That's what happened when I tried to rush the process on these carburetors. I rushed it, messed up too much stuff. I was doing too much, taking too much off, not paying attention. But now I told myself I'm gonna take my time, I'm gonna relax, do my thing. I got plenty time. So now that I done got that out the way, she started up, things moving faster. And I promise you, this carburetor needs to be clean, and I'm gonna clean it. And then, like, once I get everything cleaned up and stuff like this, because to be honest, I don't think I'm keeping this bike. Like, I just bought it just to work on it, you know, just to see if I can, like, get it up and running. Because these two bikes right here, I'm only keeping this one, and I have another one that I'm keeping. It's not here right now, but I only want those two bikes. This is a 2000, by the way, and I don't know. I'm good on this one, but to the person that buy it, I just want you to see, you can check this video out if you bought it. I want you to see everything I've done to this bike. Like, I don't want you to think I'm getting over on you or anything like that, but like, this is everything I'm doing. And I promise you, I'm taking this bike. Even though I'm doing this, I'm gonna take this bike to a professional, Mr. Roggetti, and I'm gonna let him look over this bike as well before I sell it, okay? So, and I'm looking at the wheels. I really don't like the way the wheels look either. Like, before I sell this bike, I will make it look way better than this. That chain, no bueno on the chain, but this seems to be a good bike. I haven't ridden it yet, but so far, decent, I will say. And I was looking at this key. I think that key do work right there, but this right here is broken. But I have plenty of these too, so I'm gonna see if I can take this one out. Yeah, take that one out and replace it so everything works. And if you take a look back here, I don't know what was going on right here. Like, yeah, I don't know what was going on. It's the first time I ever seen something like this. But we definitely, will not sell it like that. Like, I don't know what's going on. But yeah, this is Shaw with the 750, and I'm out of here. Thank you for watching. Be safe.